Big Crazy John here with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. We are at the Grants Trail here, and we're gonna do this new section of trail I've never been on. It's brand new this year, and there's a bridge, and it takes you down to River Des Peres. And I believe there's a bridge that goes over River Des Peres, but I'll have to get down there and check it out. So this is gonna be a time warp video. Should be fairly short because we're just gonna go out. This is probably 2 miles, maybe down to Crownlet Park and then come back. So stay tuned. This is Grants Trail behind me, just past the or real close to the trailhead here. So that's the extension. I went down to the River Des Peres section and I was hoping to cross the bridge, but it doesn't look like it's finished. There are work trucks there, they got it all roped off there. So looking forward to that being completed. And I think I read online that once that is completed, the Grants Trail connected to the River Des Peres trail system, it will be a total of 17 miles interconnected trails, which is awesome. Nothing like Illinois with over 100 miles of interconnected paved trails, but St. Louis is making progress. I'm looking forward to it. So that's the extension. Hope everyone's being safe. And I just want to remind everyone, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.